Welcome to tomorrow's update, where we bring you the latest insights into future technology. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's on everyone's mind: how AI will impact jobs by 2030. The rapid advancement of artificial intelligence and automation is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace, leading to both concerns and opportunities. While some jobs are at risk of being replaced by AI powered systems, others will evolve, and entirely new career paths will emerge. But the question is your job safe from AI? Many routine and repetitive tasks are already being automated. Jobs in customer service, data entry, manufacturing, and even transportation are being replaced by AI driven chatbots, robotic process automation, RPA, and self driving technology. For example, companies like Tesla, Amazon, and Google are investing billions in AI, accelerating the shift toward automation. However, it's not all bad news. While AI might replace some roles, it will also create millions of new opportunities in fields like AI development, robotics engineering, cybersecurity, and data science. The key is to adapt and learn the skills that will be in high demand in the AI-driven future. So, what can we do to stay ahead in this evolving landscape? Experts suggest that the most valuable skills in the future will be AI programming, machine learning, problem solving, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence, things that machines can't easily replicate. If you're in a job that's at risk, now is the time to start upskilling and reskilling to remain relevant in the workforce. Companies are already looking for employees who can work alongside AI rather than compete with it. The future of work isn't about humans versus AI. It's about humans working with AI to become more efficient, innovative, and productive. As we move toward 2030, the workplace will be a hybrid of human creativity and artificial intelligence. Are you ready for this change? Let us know in the comments what you think about AI and its impact on jobs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to tomorrow's update for more insights into the future of technology. Thanks for watching and stay ahead of the future. Blast off.